Hey tech trends enthusiasts, welcome back. Today, we're taking a look at a fundamental tool that every terminal user interacts with daily, listing files and directories. For years, the trusty ls command has been the standard. But what if there's a modern alternative that not only does the same job but also offers a richer, more informative, and visually appealing experience? Azaa isn't just a facelift for ls, it's a complete overhaul with a focus on usability and information density. It retains the core functionality of listing files and directories, but enhances it with sensible defaults and a plethora of useful features. Think of it as ls, but with superpowers. It's designed to make navigating and understanding your file system much more efficient. Getting Azaa installed is straightforward, and the process varies slightly depending on your operating system. Once installed, you can start using Azaa immediately. In most cases, you'll invoke it using the command Azaa followed by any desired flags and paths, just like ls. Let's explore some of the key improvements Azaa offers right out of the box. 1. Human-readable file sizes. Instead of just bytes, Azaa displays file sizes in a more understandable format like kilobytes, megabytes, and gigabytes by default. 2. Improved colorization. Azaa uses more distinct and informative colors to differentiate file types, permissions, and more, making it easier to quickly scan your listings. Azaa comes packed with useful flags to tailor the output to your needs. For example, tree that displays the directory structure in a tree-like format, making it easy to visualize nested directories. Other flags, I'll keep it for you to explore. That's Azaa for you, a modern and powerful replacement for the standard ls command. If you're looking to enhance your terminal experience and gain more insight into your file system at a glance, I highly recommend giving Azaa a try. What are your favorite terminal enhancements? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Tech Trends for more cool command line tools and tech tips, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.